Hey, what's up YouTube? David here bringing you guys another video. I am actually updating my car. I got this new update. My car is about to download the update 2022.12.1. I think this was released 2 days ago. Not a lot of cars have this yet. You can see all the Amazon packages that I've been buying, all Tesla accessories. Doing this for YouTube. Still updating. The fire alarm has triggered again. Not much is going on in here, except me staring at the screen. So I think they brought back some of these old controls where you are able to turn on your defrosters and also turn on your heatings, also turn on your heated steering wheels, also wiper control directly onto your taskbar here. So if you wanted to, you can actually delete this, for example, and put on your wiper. Let's try that out really quick and have that set up here. I will say though, it does look a little bit awkward because I feel like the whole theming could have been a lot better. The theme is way off of what these look like. This looks very Tesla-like versus these still look very Android-like. They could definitely do a better job trying to theme this whole thing. It doesn't look very good. It looks kind of awkward with these icons and these. I think they really need to retheme the whole UI. Just my opinion though. Anyways, that's a big thing that you guys are able to have access now in terms of changes. Next one is child lock. So instead of locking the whole back door, you are now able to actually enable it just for a single door. So that's pretty useful. Left, right, or both. Apparently you're able to do dog mode, camp mode directly from your Tesla app, as long as you keep your Tesla app updated on your phone. So always make sure you keep the updated on your phones so that you get all the newest features on your car. I'm going to show this on my phone in just a moment as well, just to take a look at it, because I personally have never tried dog mode or camp mode yet. And a new language, Turkish. Very good. So I guess that's all the new features in this new patch. Personally, I really like these little icons more than these. I feel like Tesla needs to retheme the whole UI. It doesn't look very good, in my opinion.